coming for you. I'm gonna have a shower so it wakes me up. The thing is, I've never had a problem with being awake early. Like, I'm already, as soon as I'm awake, I'm awake. Do you see? I feel like I'm not, was it in my face I'm tired? But I'm awake now, so. Guys, just as I was finishing up that vlog clip, I trod on my banana. Hello there. I am ready to go. Let's leave a hotel room how you would wish to find it as a cleaner. Obviously I don't know the ins and outs of how a cleaner would want to find it, but try and leave it as best tidy as you can. Hello everyone, we are on the Eurostar now, and I'm with the kids. Woohoo! And we're going to Paris, baby. Well, actually, shots. These are so cute. Hello, doing a ginger shot now.
That's not a shot, Grace. Grace shots all in one hand.
Oh, what? Hello everyone. Oh, we've just arrived at the bakery and we've had lunchy poos, had a pizza. Are they going to ask me to take these out? And yours? And yours? Anyway, we're just getting changed into our white. Just going to give you like a little debrief on what happened in this little section. Basically, we were testing out different recipes of different flour and using sourdoughs and yeast. It was very interesting to see how they all turned out. We're just about to mix our doughs. Stuck in here, we were making our slow fermentation. I think we're making French baguettes actually. So here I am, making a French baguette. Making chocolate bread now. We've made our doughs, and now we're folding them. Hello everyone, we're going out for dinner now. We've had a lovely day baking, haven't we, Megan?
Hi, yeah.
And now we are at the cathedral, and it's massive. I think I just swallowed a fly up my nose. I'm still single. I look so beautiful, really attractive, real not puffy at all. Good morning, sharks. It's day 2 of the vlog, son. Vlogging. Yeah, but I just realised you're in your towel. I was going to say it's her birthday, but you're in your towel. So we'll do it when she's dressed and having breakfast. Actually, can I just say the beds were really good. I don't think I've done a bed tour. Here you go. Here's the sleeping. This is the room. I'm not a fan of bobbly walls, I have established, but what can you do? Good morning, it's day 2 in the bakery, baby, and we're going to a flour mill, bead flour mill. This right away? No. Baking some bread first and then going to the flour mill, so pretty exciting. Or just me again, dropping in to say we were testing out 3 different recipes here again of different French stick, baguette, whatever you want to call it. Fun fact alert, as you know, that I like to do in my videos, it is actually illegal to use any preservatives in your French baguettes or anything like that, any added extras. It just has to be pure French crunchy baguette. Is that it? I don't know why this is so satisfying for me, but this is when the French baguettes were getting like cut up, and it just, oh, it's like ASMR for a baker, you know, just watching them all. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
You have 2 faces. Bad face, good face. Bad face is inside.
These are my babies, but they're overproofed, but it's fine. We're okay. They're still crackling. These guys are the sourdoughs. Ooh, we're scoring them. The baguettes is just the perfect one, and then they deteriorate. That sums it up. Oh no. Got the sourdough. French sticks are going in. September. I'm actually so annoyed that ASMR didn't pick up. They were so crackly and I just need a microphone because I want to do real life ASMR. Oh, hello everyone. This is what I'm most excited for.
Oh, the good texture. It's
Chocolate nuggets. Lunchtime and starter. We've got some avocado shiz and smoked salmon. I'm not even joking. This is so good. They don't look that good, do they? But they're like next level. So now we go for a visit around the mill, and honestly, if you've ever seen Greg Wallace's program, or it's called like Inside the Factory or something, where you get to see like behind the scenes of how things are made, oh my gosh, so fascinating. Can I present a TV show where I get to go to factories and things like that? Because it's so fascinating seeing it all being produced, and like even the sieve, where the sieve goes like this. I love learning things about things, and the mill was so fascinating, and it's one of the like biggest mills in France. I love it. I loved it. Just look at this, watching the bag get filled with flour and then it gets sewn. That's amazing.
Crumb?
All the breads.
But the flavor and the color, it's very...
Bread trial. Devon's freezers just made of bread.
We're doing the sniff test. Oh, she's in there. Get in there. Okay, hello everyone. Should I shut the window? Is that a bit noisy? It's a bit noisy, isn't it? Hello, good morning. It is the last day of the France trip. So today we are going to another mill. We're going to a mill, we're going to a bakery, we're going to a baking school, and then we're going home. We had a really nice meal yesterday, and I had honestly the best omelette I've ever had in my life. It was so good. It had potato in it, bacon, onion, and I didn't know that you could have such things as an exquisite omelette, but it was exquisite. Like, it was maybe even a 12 out of 10. I'm just gonna say it was really good. Right, we've had breakfast and now we are leaving the hotel. So I thought I'd just do a quick overview of the room. This is the room, and then the toilet's in here, but Megan's currently peeing, so you don't want to see that. No. Be all over it. Hey school kids, do you remember these from the old sweet shop? I'm so tempted to buy this. How much is it? I'm really out here considering if I should get this or not. When you just we're going to Stone Ground Mill now.
Maybe closer if you want to. There is a conveyor inside.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. What's that?
What did you do?
Hello, we are here in the oven. Not in the oven, but I'm just turning it. That's quality content that I provide for you. Get you a friend who hands you Pringles. That was the best thing I've ever seen. Hello everyone. We're in Paris now. Right outside the Eiffel Tower. It was poor, I butchered it, but whatever. Is there anyone coming? Oh, there is! Hello! Yeah, alright. Just here on the Eurostar now. Cleaning the table. Cleaning the table, as you should do. Get in there. Got to drop my peach. And that's that. Wow. So I just Spot is really out here, still in the limelight. I just got back from France yesterday, and I thought I would kind of do a haul because I accumulated a lot of things when I was out there, because Varon, I don't know how to pronounce it, was so lovely. They gave us so much stuff. Honestly, if you need some flour or something like that, then go to I know you don't pronounce it Viron, but that's how it is spelt. But if you're French, it would be like Varon, Varon. Point, Grace, you're just humiliating yourself, so just stop. It is spelt V-I-R-O-N, so there you go. They were amazing. They were so hospitable, they were lovely, they were so generous too, and I had a really great time. And that is coming from someone who gets very homesick. So to say I had a good time is like 10 out of 10 when I'm in a foreign place. So I had an amazing time. The goodie bag that we got given, which was, I'm just so happy. Look at this. It's a really good quality tote. She's kind of sexy, I'm just gonna say it. A recipe book with all their ingredients, and then we'll go on to the t-shirts. Now I saw lots of the workers walking around in these grey t-shirts, and I was like, to my lecturer, I was like, oh my gosh, those t-shirts are amazing. And then he asked if I could have one, and they didn't have any grey ones, but that's okay because we got 2 white ones. If you know me, hence tourist t-shirt now, I love a t-shirt that is like, has a memory attached, if you know what I mean. I don't know, I just love it. So the first one we have is this one, Retrodor. That is definitely not how you pronounce it. It's this little sexy number. Then we got, this is pretty jazzy, guys, I'm not gonna lie. We got a half apron, you know, like one of these that you wrap around your waist. A timer! Look at that, it's a really nice one, and it's got the name of where we went, and it's like a clicky one, and it's got a magnet on it. It's a really, really nice timer. If you're watching this and you're a baker, you will know how exciting it is to see these scrapers. Even this one with like the handle. This is really cool. So they have some bees. I think this is the first year that they've collected honey from the bees, and they gave us some of the honey. Yeah, we got some of their honey, which I am so excited to try. They also use the leftover French baguettes to create the beer. So they have a beer which they create from the leftover French baguettes. So there is no wastage. I obviously won't be drinking this because I don't like alcohol, but I know someone that I know very well will enjoy this. So I'm quite excited to see their verdict on it. Because sourdoughs obviously keep for longer than a day, so I couldn't take any of the like French baguettes we made or traditional breads home because they would have been really tough. But sourdough is better actually after a few days. Then we have this one. Ooh, this jazzy guy. Spelt. This is a spelt bread. Looks gorgeous. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like, a cheeky subscribe, and do your thing. I've got to go and sort all this stuff out now because I don't like not packing away on the first day. So I want to get all tidied away, and I'm so happy and content because I've been so blessed. So #blessed.